how to clear your cache in Chrome on your laptop or computer. So you can either clear your cache on one specific website, or you can just clear all of your Google Chrome cache. Now, if you want to clear your cache on one specific website, just head over to the website that you want to clear the cache on. In the address bar, click on the icon next to the web address, and then press Cookies and Site Data. Now press Manage On-Device Site Data, and here you'll find the cache for this specific website. Now to delete this, just click on the trash icon next to the address and make sure all of these are deleted. You then need to click on the reload button, and that's how to clear cache for a specific website. Now to clear all of your Chrome cache, click on the 3 vertical dots in your browser, scroll down and click on Settings. In the left-hand side, select Privacy and Security, and then press Delete Browsing Data. Now uncheck the option for Browsing History. Make sure all of the other options are checked. You could then change the time frame to all time, and then go and press Delete Data, and that's how to clear all of your cache in Google Chrome.